We saw how to study light, we observed it, we translated it by finding graphic solutions. We worked quite dirty. Now we can focus a bit more to how handle all of that to create a clean illustration. I'm going to show you how I proceed to create 4 different light scenarios from the same image. You will be able to find the PSD and Procreate file in the additional resource. Before we begin, you should know that depending on the iPad you have, you may be more limited than me in the number of layers you can use. This limit is determined by the iPad's RAM. I use an iPad Pro 12.9 from 2017, I think, and I have 4 GB of RAM. To avoid being limited too quickly with your layers, I suggest you to lower the resolution of your canvas. You can work with 150 dpi. This is a totally fine resolution to create digital artwork. 300 dpi is commonly used if you want to print an image. In the case it's still too short, when you are working, you can duplicate your file, and in this new file, you can merge some layers. This way, you still have a separate layers in your old file, and you can work more comfortably in your new file. Here I'm going to work with 210 by 210 millimeters with 300 dpi, but you can set it at 150.